Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your MODX8. First, connect the included power adapter and press the power button. Next, plug your audio cables into the main stereo outputs on the back panel. Finally, connect any sustain pedals or other foot controllers you plan to use. This ensures your instrument is ready for sound production and expressive play. Now that your MODX8 is powered on, let's explore its sounds. Utilize the category search function to quickly locate specific instrument types like pianos or strings. The large touchscreen allows for easy navigation through hundreds of performances. Don't forget to experiment with the super knob, which can dramatically alter your sound with a single turn, offering dynamic control. To integrate your MODX8 with a computer, connect it via a standard USB cable. You'll need to install the Yamaha Steinberg USB driver, which enables both audio and MIDI communication. Once installed, open your digital audio workstation and configure its settings to recognize the MODX8 as an input and output device. This unlocks its full potential for recording and production. After creating or modifying sounds, it's crucial to save your work. Store your customized performances in the user memory to recall them later. You can also organize your most used sounds into live set slots for quick access during performances. For extra security, regularly back up all your MODX8 data to a USB flash drive, protecting your creative efforts.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.